these bowls that you see in front of you that we carry, these are the alms round bowl for the monk. Each monk will have one bowl like this, and we eat inside of this bowl. Okay, if you can see, without this bowl, we cannot eat unless you offer. And so after we got the food, always we do the blessing to the donors who offering the food, the water, the snacks and everything today. And even if we don't have anything to offer today because we're not aware of, it's okay. Just join hands together like this to receive the blessing from all the venerable monks. Then after the blessing, our tradition is to say Sadhu, Sadhu, Sadhu. Sadhu is S-A-D-H-U. That's what it's spelled, S-A-D-H-U. Sadhu means I rejoice with the meritorious deed that all the donors have done. I rejoice with this meritorious deed. I rejoice with this meritorious deed. If we do that, it means that we also get the same merit as the donors. And all the deities, we call deities, or all the spirits, all the angels around us here will also get that, receive that benefits as well. So let us all join hands together like this to receive the blessing, and then after that I will guide you to do the rejoice.